The Harry Potter arrangement is a riddle with complete security and unanswered inquiries. How is Mughal brought into the world found? How did Mughal resurrection occur? Who is acknowledged at Hogwarts and why? What did Dumbledore find before Eraserhead's mirror with Harry? Here are 10 insider facts of the Harry Potter universe in short to fulfill. Before starting the video, one request: please subscribe my channel, like, comments and share. So, let's begin the Harry Potter's 10 interesting secrets. Number 1. Albus Severus Potter. The greatest inquiry at the forefront of everybody's thoughts since perusing this article is, Harry, for what reason would you name your kid? Why name the man who misled you and assaulted you? For what reason doesn't his name care for Hagrid or Remus or Sirius or Moody or Fred? After somebody who left you with recollections. J.K. Rowling's unfortunate answer: blame. Demise falls on Harry in the Battle of the Hogwarts, and he never truly shakes the phantom of that dark day. After his demise, Harry trusted that he would be pardoned, out of his own psyche or by others, for what had occurred in Snape's respect by naming his child. Number 2. Phony plants with genuine names. The names of the plants in the Harry Potter arrangement are clever and enchanted. Names that stall out in the mind. For example, Venomous Tentacula and Gillywood are on the whole intriguing plants with regards to the universe. Mugwort, Nutris, and Mungst are large plants and are completely portrayed in this arrangement. Or then again, right? J.K. Rowling says that she discovered it in a delightful old book called The Complete Herbal by Nicholas Culpepper. Presently, the book accessible on the internet in PDF position has pictures and names of at least 100 distinct plants. These incorporate other enchanted looking trees, for example, liverwort, gillyflower, and sneak, which are not in Harry Potter's books, yet would be incredible for fan fiction. Number 3. Sybil Trelawney predicts another death. We presently realize that Sybil Trelawney is a genuine clinician, however she herself doesn't get this. He anticipated Chosen One, bringing about Harry's folks' demise and Voldemort's inevitable destruction. The Sybil legendary way of thinking is known as a relative of Cassandra. Be that as it may, the majority of Sybil's forecasts are only trickery, and we overlooked some of them on account of his jokes and dirty tricks. When requested to join the understudies and workforce at the Christmas table, he won't, expressing, when 13 eat together, the first to get up will be the first. As Dumbledore later demonstrated valid, Peter Pettigrew was ignorant of this. An aggregate of 13 visitors were at the making table, the first to ascend from the table and be the first to plunk down to bite the dust. Number 4. Minerva. Where were you when you found out about Professor Minerva McGonagall's mystery late spouse Elphinstone and his Mughal father? What was on this rundown here? You're not the only one. Truth be told, the vast majority don't know about this, very much left well enough alone. Pottermore has 2 siblings in Minerva, just as a bit of paper drawn and his dad was regarded. Indeed, Minerva experienced passionate feelings for twice, once with a magnate named Dougal and once with a performer named Elphinstone. Both have an early grievousness, a past loaded with mystery, fellowship, and service, not what we expected from before. However, the improvement of the profound character we merit. Number 5. Werewolf dolls. Our dearest werewolf Remus Lupin was well known for being prepared and supported to turn into a dad. Velvets like her frequently didn't bring forth youngsters, and no data was accessible with respect to whether the newborn child would be influenced. All things considered, Bill Weasley was covered with unaltered werewolves, and this prompted a deadly change in him. So, shouldn't something be said about Teddy Lupin, Remus' child? Much thanks to you. J.K. Rowling says he was not experiencing a similar infection that tormented his dad. Truth be told, our Teddy is an illustration simply like his mom Nymphadora. Number 6. Magician Primary School. All in all, what will wizard kids do before Hogwarts? Is it true that they are holding back to go there to learn enchantment? It is safe to say that they are permitted to meander like lost canines and are not permitted to do whatever they are permitted to do. No. Truth be told, it appears that the vast majority of his adolescence is spent taking in the nuts and bolts from his folks and kin. J.K. Rowling, witchcraft has a genuinely strong comprehension of three essential themes. Guardians to self-teaching until their youngsters move to Hogwarts. Guardians ought to work admirably as no understudy has been appeared to battle with the 3 R's, perusing, composing and number crunching. Number 7. Harry's wealth. Harry is amazingly rich. His grace arch is 100-year-old gold slope enhanced with gold and silver. So where did it originate from? What is his family legacy? It is uncovered that Harry is rich to such an extent that his family made a bunch of acclaimed therapeutic herbs and beautifiers. A mix of pepper up potion, scale grow and slicky hair potion set the family up for life. Actually, Flymont Potter, the creator and first merchant of Slack Gate, has expressed that the family's fortunes have been broken by the offer of Slack Age's recipes and friends. You can review their utilization from the book. Scale Grow re-establishes their bones, Pepper Up Potion diminishes a cold or influenza, and Slassy's hair elixir makes Hermione's irritated hair a delicate, plush shroud. Number 8. Dumbledore's will. In the event that you review from the book, Harry isn't the one in particular who is frequently pulled in by the reflection of iridium, which unexpectedly would be a composed. Albus Dumbledore glanced in the mirror a few evenings and was not generally in the thinker's stone business. In any case, when Harry asked Dumbledore what he found in the mirror, Dumbledore lied, guaranteeing that he was holding himself a couple of thick hide socks. Things being what they are, what precisely did he see? J.K. Rowling, he saw just his family, all fit as a fiddle. A miserable however reasonable want. The awkward passing of his folks and sister. Number 9. Muggle bonds. At once or another, we all have posed a similar inquiry about the Harry Potter universe. How did his enchantment occur in the Mughal conceived? Unmistakably, the appropriate response was right in front of us the entire time. They plunged from the stunt in all situations when a stunt, a witch or wizard who has no intensity of enchantment, was conceived. Among them the big shots, was sent to live when it was uncovered that he had no enchantment. They wed the Mughals and pass on their qualities. A couple of ages down the line, the enchantment quality reappears and an otherworldly kid is destined to the Guardians. Thus, numerous individuals in the mysterious network have accepted that Mughal-conceived individuals are in one way or another brief. In any case, the enchantment quality stays covered up for ages before popping out of the blue to give the endowment of an otherworldly youngster to some Mughal family. Number 10. The Book of Admittance. Hogwarts Castle has numerous complex privileged insights and stunts, from using the stairwell through bogus ways to 2,000 or 3,000, maybe a couple thousand charming pictures. Notwithstanding, the most very much left well enough alone, and the secret that addresses a central issue about the universe of Harry Potter, is the Book of Affirmations. In any event, when a witch or wizard is conceived, the Mughals know the book, their name in the book, they can enter the Hogwarts on the off chance that they pick